Welcome back, year 5. Let's talk about germination. What's meant by germination? Germination means the changing of the seed into young plant, which known as seedling, okay? And this is occurred under the right condition. So the question now, what the conditions required for a seed to germinate? Number 1, presence of air, okay? The seed need air to germinate, okay? Number 2, presence of water. Also, the seed need water to germinate, to be swollen, and the coat of the seed cut and the young plant will produce. And also presence of worms. So, the required conditions for a seed germination: air, water, and worms. Okay? Look at the diagram in front of you. This is germination of the bean seed, okay? If any one of the conditions is absent, the seed will not be able to germinate. A seed doesn't require the presence of light to germinate, okay? So, number 1, with air, water, and warmth, what happened to the seed? A seed can start to germinating, okay? And after a while, roots appears, okay? What's meant by root? Root a part of the plant that grow under the soil. And after a while, shoot appears. What's meant by shoot? Shoot a part of the plant that grow up above the soil, okay? The seed leaves provide the seedling with food, and leaves appear. Leaves start making the food, okay, where the leaves in this case make photosynthesis to prepare for the plant its own food. And the seed coat fall off as the seed leaves have been exhausted. And after a while, the young plant has grown into adult plant, which composed of root and shoot system that form of the stem, leaves, flower, and fruit, okay? So, and this is occurred under a right condition. So, what's the right condition required for seed germination again? Number 1, presence of air. Number 2, presence of water. Number 3, presence of warmth. Okay? This is a slide. Again, germination. What's meant by germination? The seed will grow into a young plant, which is called seedling. The condition required for seed to germinate are 3 conditions. Number 1, presence of air. Number 2, presence of water. Number 3, presence of warmth. Also, look at the seed. Okay, the seed composed of 3 parts. The typical seed composed of 3 parts. Number 1, seed leaves. Number 2, seed coat, and between the seed leaves, the embryo, okay? The seed coat protect the seed or protect the young plant from drying in injury and drying out, okay? Again, the seed coat. The function of the seed coat: number 1, protect the young plant from injury and drying out. Seed leaves, okay, provide the embryo with the food or the nutrient needed to grow up, and embryo is a baby of the plant. So again, I will repeat it again. A typical seed composed of 3 main parts. Number 1, seed coat. Number 2, seed leaves. Number 3, embryo. Number 1, seed coat, okay, that it's the cover of the seed, okay, and this is cover protect the seed from injury and drying out, okay. Number 2, seed leaves contain nutrients or contain food, okay, which supply the nutrient and the food to the embryo, okay, to grow up. And the last part of the seed, embryo, is the baby of the plant. Okay, thank you, year 5, and goodbye.